Hey creators, Cheryl here. If you're struggling with watch time on your videos, stick around because today I'm revealing a little known Google trick that can seriously change the game for your channel. But before I dive in, I have a quick question for you. Have you ever wondered why some videos keep people watching all the way through while others lose the audience after just a few seconds? What's the secret sauce? And how can you get in on it? Well, today I'm giving you the answers, plus insider tips that most creators don't even know yet. So, are you ready to turn those struggling watch time statistics into watch time wins? Let's go. Let's get into it. First off, why does watch time even matter? You may ask. Well, YouTube's algorithm loves watch time. The longer people watch, the more likely your video gets recommended by YouTube. It's like a popularity contest where YouTube crowns winners who keep viewers hooked. Let's just say that. Well, here's the kicker. It's not just about total watch time. It's about audience retention. How much of your video people watch on average? That's what that means. Think about it. Would you rather have 100 people watch 10 seconds of your video each time? Or 30 people watch 5 minutes each? Well, if you guessed the second one, you're spot on. You're right. Quality watch time beats quantity every time. Okay, here comes the star of the show. That Google trick I mentioned. Are you ready for the big reveal? Well, did you know Google search isn't just for looking up facts? It's a treasure trove of insights into what people are searching for right now. What questions they're asking, what problems they need solved. And YouTube is owned by Google, in case you didn't know. So guess what? Google search data is a gold mine to help you create videos for YouTube that people are actively craving. And a lot of creators don't use it. Here's how to use it to boost your watch time. Head over to Google search right now and start typing your video topic. I will wait for a second. Are you there? Do you see those suggested completions? Those are actual searches people are trying to find on Google. And if you scroll down to the middle of that search page, you should see questions that people are asking, actually asking. Those are real questions that people want to know the answers for. Take those questions and use them as your video titles, subtitles, or timestamps in your video to hook viewers with the exact answers that they're looking for. And do you see the video tab at the top? Click on that video tab to see all the YouTube videos listed. Those are videos that are covering similar topics or the same topic. Use those as a reference for your next video title. When your video answers these hot questions clearly and in sequence, people stick around because you're solving their problems step by step. You might be thinking, okay, but how do I turn those questions into a video that people watch all the way through? That's a good question. Stay tuned because next I've got 5 killer retention hacks coming up that pair perfectly with this trick, the same Google trick. And here they are. Hack number 1, tease. What's coming up next? Start your video with a bold promise or tease. For example, say something like, by the end of this video, you'll know how to double your watch time with one simple Google trick. And then remind people what's coming at key points. Something like, coming up next is a secret that most creators overlook. Got it? Hack number 2, use chapters and timestamps. What you're going to do is to break your video up into clear chunks. This keeps viewers from feeling lost and makes it easier for them to jump to the parts that they want to watch. And here's a bonus tip. YouTube loves chapters, and they will often display them in search results. Get that right. Chapters also increase your SEO scores on in your videos, in case you didn't know. This gives you more visibility on the YouTube platform. Hack number three. Answer questions visually. For example, when you answer a question, add on-screen text, graphics, or quick demonstrations to reinforce your point. This keeps the brain engaged and it reduces drop-offs. Hack number 4, use open loops. Leave mini cliffhangers throughout your video. For example, I'm going to say something like, I'm going to share a bonus trick in just a moment. You don't want to miss it. What this does is that it keeps the audience engaged and curious, so they want to stick around to hear more. Hack number 5, call back to earlier points that you already made. Bring viewers back by referencing something you mentioned before. Something like, remember that Google search tip I showed you? Well, here's how to use it in your video titles. Something like that. Quick question for you now. What's the biggest struggle you face with keeping your audience watching? Drop your answer in the comment section. Right now, I would love to hear it. And I read every single comment, and I want to know your biggest watch time headaches. It will help other viewers as well. And here's a bonus secret. Playlists are your best friends for watch time. Why? Because they autoplay your videos one after the other. It keeps the viewers on your channel longer as well. And here's a pro tip. Create playlists around specific topics, mini-series or themes. And guess what? Name the playlists using those hot Google questions that we talked about earlier. Instead of a one-liner name, give it the name of the question. And this way, it will give the viewers binge-worthy experience and keep them glued to your videos. Now, I promised you a surprising solution at the end of this video that could change your channel forever. And we're almost there. But first, let me share a quick story, real quickly. When I first started my channel, my watch time was a total disaster. But people clicked away from my videos after 20 seconds, even though I had good content. Then I started using Google search suggestions and structured my videos around those questions I told you about. And I used the questions to name my playlist, and boom, my watch time skyrocketed. So don't sleep on this little tip. And the secret is not just the Google trick, but it's the way I layered in those retention hacks that I just shared with you. And the combination created magic. If you want a step-by-step system for planning videos that get views and keep watch time high, check out my free video planning guide and my free viral video cheat sheet. The links are in the description. That will get you started. Plus, if you're serious about growing your channel faster, my 2 paid ebooks will help you. The YouTube Creator Starter Kit is one, and how to create a successful Faceless YouTube channel. These are packed with even more insider strategies and secrets that you can use. Okay, now here's that surprising solution I promised earlier. Get ready for it. Use audience retention data to adjust your videos after publishing. Wait, what? You can do that? Yes, you can. But let me explain. After your video is live for a few days, wait a few days, check your YouTube analytics for the audience retention graphs. Look at that graph, study that graph, and look for the moments where viewers drop off or skip ahead, because that's where you're going to fix that. Use that information to tweak your future videos. Shorten them or rearrange the content and maybe add stronger hooks before those drop-off points, or cut anything that's boring and that will bore the audience. This approach is how pro creators keep improving their watch time with real data, not just by guessing. You have to follow these steps to level up your YouTube channel if you want to succeed. If this video helped you, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video or one of my good tips. And if you want to support my channel, please send me a super thanks using the button below the video. It helps me create even better content just for you. Remember now, your watch time is your channel's heartbeat. Treat it well and it will grow stronger. That's it for now. I am your channel host, Cheryl, saying bye, but only for now. Until next time, see you soon. And go try those tricks and tips. They will help.